Hello everyone, welcome to Network Guruji. In this video we will check the IP address using three different methods. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Now type CMD and press enter. When the command prompt opens, type ipconfig and press enter. Here you see the IPv4 address. Second, press Windows plus R. Now type ncpa.cpl and press enter. Here right click on your connected network and click on status. Now click on details. You can see your IPv4 address here. Third, press Ctrl Shift Ask. The task manager will open. Go to Performance tab and click on Wi-Fi. If your computer or laptop is connected using a LAN cable, you will see Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. On the right side, you can see your IP address. So friend, this is how you can check your IP address in Windows using three simple methods. Thanks for watching.